So this is US30 29th of October, the Tuesday, consumer confidence, and at the same time you've got jobs taking place. So two high volume times, both at the same time, which is half hour after the New York Open. And this picture shows you exactly what happened. You can see New York session takes previous day low, takes previous day high, and then starts the downwards move and sideways move. This is a clear liquidity sweep. Takes previous day low, takes previous day high, and this is normally done before high volume news events. So tomorrow we've got GDP, then we've got non-farm payroll on Friday, and I think we've got another one on Thursday. Can't think of the top of my head, but we've got a lot of high impact news to come. So this is why they do that. They're collecting liquidity and entering at these key levels. As you can see at the top, you got premium sale areas that they are entering their sales at. Now let's go to the chart, and we're just going to go over that now. So here we are. New York opening was here. So you would drag this area over as your premium sale area. You could drag this over as your discount buy area, but you can see here before the mop is even made, prices come down and taking the lows from here. So you wouldn't really see this as a strong buy area. You're more favouring the sales. Now let's go over here and focus on the 5-minute time frame. Up here you have the daily opening price. What do we have? The mop down here, this is the pre-London, and then the London opening is here. London opening takes place, pushes down, takes the low here, and then they start to buy. I didn't get this, but that is a buy setup because this is a liquidity sweep, and this is sweeping this liquidity here. So this is being seen as a discount buy area, but I didn't get that one. Simple as. Price goes up, takes the high here. Now this is a good setup because you're retesting the opening price for the day, taking liquidity, and you're in that premium sell area from yesterday. So here is valid sell areas on both of those because you've got the first one that takes liquidity, then you got a retest here. So this area here, you'd watch that on the smaller time frame, and once you saw this bearish candle, that is your confirmation to get in. This is also bullish confirmation, but like I said, I don't take them really. This is also a trade continuation down, using that as your bearish pressure support. So that is also things. But like I said, I wouldn't really take these ones because they're not the major entry. When you get liquidity grabs like this is where you want to be entering at. That's where you can safely enter and leave price to play out once it starts playing out. And price is not likely to come back to that area until it hits a major liquidity pool in favour of your trade. So I would have only took this one, in my opinion. Price goes down, and that's what we like to see. Price comes all the way down to the previous low here, and you've got that is also the previous daily low here. So they're around the same sort of level. By this time, I'd be in favouring a continuation down. You got the pre-New York there, New York high volume time, and then you got the New York opening here. 30 minutes after that, you got consumer confidence there. So you can see how this is a buy setup too. Because it's taking the previous day low, which is these lines here, it's also taking liquidity with the New York Open quickly and then giving you that bullish movement. If we go down to the 1 minute time frame, you can see exactly what happens. So I wasn't active during this time. You got the New York Open here, takes place, pushes down, impulse move up, then retraces all the way down to this discount buy area from the session opening. So this is a small time frame discount buy area that they've just created with the New York Open. So this is where their buys are entered that created that big bullish move. So that holds value. So when you get a retracement to that area and then you start to see price turn like that, that is a buy confirmation if you are a scalper and you can handle the 1 to 5 minute time frame. because it's also taking the previous day low. So these are the trades you want to learn to get, because you can get crazy risk to reward trades in a comfortable way. So that's a buy. Price goes up, and you'd been looking for some sort of reversal in case we got that continuation down. And the areas you look for your reversal is obviously the first one's here, is your high volume time and your pre-New York. So you can see price pushes straight through that. I like to focus on the 5 minute time frame from real higher time frame structure. That means this push through on the 5 minute time frame shows me there's no real resistance there. Then we look at the mop, because we all know we can retrace to the mop and continue down. Now you get a bit of resistance there, but we also have consumer confidence at the same time. So you'd want that to continue down with the news. But the news, you can see we push straight through that on the release after a bit of downwards move. And then we continue towards the upside. And as you get up to this area, the max you would be wanting to see taken is the previous day high. This area here is your London session discount buy premium sale area. So let's say you took a failed attempt there. Let's say you took a stop loss hit there. And what you'd be looking for here is a trade template. This is the news event, pushes up for liquidity, then starts the reversal. This is a trade template too, so it's just about getting these fixed in your mind. Session opens, pushes down, takes liquidity, then reverse. So this here is the major reversal area, because you're taking a major liquidity pull and you're in that premium sell area from the past few days, and that is on the 15 minute time frame. You can see how those premium sell areas are layering up now. So a retest of this area is still staying within the premium sell areas, but it's also taking a major liquidity pull. That's why you get that kind of movement. So that is a big sell confirmation. Price goes down all the way back to the news, and you'd have took partial profits along that area. And then we've got sideways movement. Stay out. Don't play with that. You don't want to be going into. You don't want to be trading halfway in the middle of a range, because this is now a premium sell area, and now this is a New York Open discount buy area. So you're stuck within the middle here trying to trade. You don't want to trade that. So going into tomorrow, what we'll be looking for is a move up to retest this premium sell area and continue down, or come down, retest this area and continue up. In my opinion, I think we will be retracing up, joining these sells, and then continuing down to target this gap here. That makes the most sense to me. Continue the downwards trend, retrace during the London session, and then give a continuation down with the news event tomorrow. So hopefully that helps. That is the 29th of October, Tuesday. And there we go. All good. Manage your trades well. Strategy is in the description below. Take care and goodbye.